All right. It is April 27th. Been about 6 weeks since I started. Machine's flipped around. Found the master pin. Up in there. And it's time to bang that one through. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to try and separate it here. Just to see how that works. We'll go from there. More on that in a bit.